Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and somebody contacted me today, either a viewer or subscriber, wanting to create this, and they said to take out the counter. How do you take out the counter? I didn't understand what he meant. I emailed him back and said, you talking about taking out the center? And then he actually sent me a picture of some font uh, wording for different parts of a font, and evidently the inside of an O or a D is a counter. So to do this is just Arial text. Go up to a range, convert it to a curve. I like working with outline, so I'm going to left click no fill, right click outline. And then all you have to do is go to a range and break the curve apart. And that breaks those two lines into two different pieces. So he's already gotten what he wants. I'm going to cut this video short, and I'm going to take the next step to how to create this D. And then I might even include how to actually color it in like that. Anyway, so I hope that helped him a little bit. Thank you for watching.